Hello, my name is Rosario Colque, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate my application developed for assignment 5 of Next.js server components. So this is my structure. I created the admin and the drugs folder. Inside the admin, I have two more folders, create and edit. And also I have the layouts and page files, my action and API files, and my JSON file that contains all the information of the drugs. So this is the home page with a brief welcome message. Now I'm going to the drugs page. Here I'm displaying all the drugs from the API on port 4000 using a server component. The table only shows the drug company and the drug name, and the last column contains the link named more. This page has time-based revalidation using revalidate 60. That means it will only update after 60 seconds. When I click on more, I go to the dynamic route drugs ID. Here I display the complete details of the drug, the ID drug company, the ID, the drug name, and the NDC code in a table. If I try to access an ID that is incorrect, or that ID that doesn't exist, a message is displayed indicating that the drug doesn't exist. Above is the back button that allows me to return to the drugs page. Now I go to the admin page. Here I perform another fetch from the API and display a full table with the columns ID, drug company, drug name, NDC code, and edit and delete column. And at the top is the create new button. When I click this button, a form appears with fields for ID, drug company, drug name, and NDC code. So I'm going to test it by filling out the form. When I submit the form, I use a server action to create a new drug record via a post request to the API. The user is then automatically redirected to admin page where the new drug record appears. As you can see, the new record is displayed here. And also in our JSON file, the new record was created here. There is also an edit option. Here, a form is displayed repopulated with the current drug record data. The user can edit the drug company, the drug name, and the NDC code. The ID cannot be modified. For example, if I change the name, when I submit the form, I'm redirected to the admin page, and the changes are displayed immediately. As you can see, the new name now is new company. We also have the option to delete a drug in the table by clicking delete button. The form performs a delete on the API using a server action, and then I run on-demand revalidation to update the admin page. As you can see, the ID that I created before no longer exists because it was deleted. And also, as you can see in our JSON file, the record was deleted as well. Thank you for watching the video.